See this right here? I made it using only my phone. No laptop, no prior experience. Watch this. In this video, I will show you step by step how you can do it too. Let's get started. The secret to a perfect evolution video is consistency. By keeping the side profile and the background exactly the same in every prompt, you ensure that the only thing moving is the car itself. This creates that satisfying morphing effect that goes viral on YouTube. This is the universal car evolution template. Simply enter the old year and model, then the new year and model. It's very easy. I've chosen this model as an example. Copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT, and it will organize everything perfectly for you. I'm leaving the prompt in the video description for you. Once ChatGPT finishes generating the script, copy the base image prompt. Then go to Google and search for Grok AI. Click on Grok and sign up using your email account. After logging into Grok, click to the hamburger menu and select Imagine. Choose Image, then set the ratio to 16:9. Paste the base image prompt and click Generate to create the images. Once Grok generates the images, choose the one you like the most. Then click on the text box and select Make Video. Copy the first prompt and paste it under the image to generate the video. When the video is finished generating, click on the three dots and select Extend Video. Go to the second prompt. Copy the second prompt and paste it below the first video in Grok. Do not create a new chat. Then click Generate to create the video. When the video is finished generating, click on the three dots and select Extend Video. Go to the third prompt and repeat the same process. It's easy and simple, nothing complicated. Repeat the same process for the fourth and final prompt. As you can see, it's simple and not complicated. I created this video using only my phone, Grok, and the free version of ChatGPT. Download the final video. No editing needed. Simple and easy. Don't just watch. Take your phone and start creating. Build a real business on YouTube. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is Zylexa.